our Nifty Needle Crafts Camp in a Bag. If you picked up our summer camp bag, you need to take out these supplies. If you didn't pick up our bag, you'll find some things at home that you can use in place of these. So we're talking about quilting today. This is a nice library book that shows lots of examples of beautiful quilts. In your bag supplies, you will find this Ziploc with some squares in it, this set of coloring pages, and this long one. We're going to start with this. I'm going to put it down on the table, and I'm going to open up my Ziploc bag and take out my squares. Now, there's lots of ways you can arrange these. I'm going to show you a couple. So I'm going to first divide mine into red and green and blue and yellow. And I'm going to, I'm going to put all of these going, all the blue ones, two blue ones and then the yellow ones. I'll do it that way. Yeah. And then I can put yellow, and the blue. Look at that pretty design. Now, I can do these ones in a whole different way. This time, I'm going to put my big ones in the corners and my green ones all in the center. Now it almost looks like the sunshine, doesn't it? There we go. So there's lots of different ways you can arrange your squares. You can mix all the colors together. I want you to experiment and see if you can find at least 6 different ways to arrange your squares. And once you have that done, you can go to your second one. Now we're going to do our coloring one. So, in your coloring packet, you have 8 different pages of examples of how people could arrange their quilt squares. You'll get to color. So I'm going to start with this one. I've already got a little bit of green, so I could continue this one to be green, and then put some more pink here, some pink here. And then this row, maybe I want to still use green, I think, for these. And keep going. So there are lots of ways to do these. When you get this all done, you can even put them together to make a beautiful hanging paper quilt. Have a nice time.